Quick strawberry update. Welcome back to my channel. These are on the west side, and I just tucked in two more runners from up above. Come on this side. Similarly, I just tucked in two more, one there, and oh, three more actually, because there's one there. And then we've got some strawberries. Woo, nice. These are gonna come in for breakfast. The plants are looking pretty good. Oh, I took that one in the other day too. So as they keep sending out runners, I'll keep adding to the bed. This east side is definitely more prolific. I'm still unsure as to why. It might just be the morning light is what they really want. Anyway, the tree is protecting them, and the ones up top are looking good. Well, that's a strawberry update. Well, what are y'all cultivating? And are you enjoying the process? So the other day, one of the channels I follow on YouTube is a feller from the other side of the pond named Al, and he posted something about strawberries. I'll link his video or his short. It might be a community post now, I can't remember, but we commented to each other on there, and I thought this is the solution to the daughters on my strawberry plants that are too short to anchor onto the side. So you'll see what I mean. This one is not quite long enough, and I don't want to put it right there because then it's just, you know, right below the main part of the bed. It doesn't make any sense. So his idea was potting them up, and I thought, that's it. That's brilliant. I can sink little clay pots into this bed and then plant the daughters that don't reach over the edge into the pots. Then later, once they've, you know, well rooted themselves into the pots, I can cut them free from the parent plant and then still go ahead and install them along the sides. Okay, so let's get started. I've already made one little hole here. I'm soaking the clay pots in some water so they get really hydrated. So let's go over there and I'll get those. You are so beautiful, and you're being such a good mama cat. She's got two kittens, the Artemisia. Hey, sweetie. And there she is, sharpening her claws. Oh my goodness. Artemisia, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Got four of them submerged to the same level of the soil that's in the planter. So there's one here. I've got one tucked in down here in this corner. And one in this corner over here. So I'm going to push the strawberries in, and then I'll show you what I do next. I just made some little twig holders to push the plants down into the pots, and that's what Al was recommending. You can use metal, you know, landscape clips and stuff, but let's have nature help us with this process. And then this daughter that I just tucked into the pot has another one that's almost long enough to reach down here. So I'm going to see if, as this one roots into the pot, maybe this runner will take off a little bit more. A little bit of water, and I'm just going to pull the straw back a little closer over top of the pot. So the difference between why to choose clay over plastic. Plastic obviously will not dehydrate or, you know, lose moisture, but it also won't pull moisture in from the surrounding area. And since I check this bed daily and water it as it's required, the clay pot, in my opinion, is a better choice because it will allow the moisture of the soil to go and keep the little plant in the pot hydrated. There it is. I have to wait for some of these to get a little longer before I can tuck them in. I've only got so much room up top for pots. Might be able to sneak one more in here somewhere. If you enjoy this video, please check out Al's channel as well. I believe you will find the information he has very helpful. Strawberries are one of the top not vegetables, fruits that you want to buy organically, because unfortunately they are heavily sprayed in commercial agriculture. So if you can get a strawberry planter of any kind going, I think you'll be quite happy that you did. All right, see you all in the next video. Till then.